Alright, so today we're going to be looking at the, we're going to be putting a bezel on that server and put some more drive trays in it because it has a few missing. So I kind of already unboxed the bezel, but, here it is. Or it wasn't me who unboxed it, but someone did. So there, and here's the key. So it goes like, and you lock it like this. So has some sort of locking mechanism here that allows it to be safe. And there's 2 keys, so if you lose one, you're, yeah. So, yeah, and here's the drive trays. Just take them out, and here they are. You know, the usual, just there. So I'll start off with the drive trays. Just go ahead and not the best setup, but it works. And yes, I have more of these over here. You'll see why soon. Not today, though. So I have 4 of these to put in because I have 4 that are open, 4 slots that are open. I'll be filling 2 of these with WD gold drives also at some point. So let's go ahead and put these in. So, boom. Maybe. It's being weird, but I'll do it from this side maybe. Boom. I can't see this. Boom. 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 There we go, all 4 put in. So all of them are probably like drive trays. And these 4 are filled up. But some of them might be taken out soon for a reason. And now time for the big thing. Probably leave this one here somewhere. If I can figure out how to take it out. Boom. There. So I'll leave this one like back here. And then I'll bring this one with me. So it goes like, is it unlocked right now? Sorry if I'm breathing hard. Yeah, it's unlocked. I can't really tell. Is that on? It feels kind of weird. But I guess it's on. Yeah, it's on. So how do you take it out? Okay. So you do that. Okay. And then when I lock it, okay, that makes sense. All right, so there we go. There's some modification to my server. Looks a little bit cooler, I guess. I don't really know. And yeah, there you go. Here's everything. All right, bye-bye.